Typically, this kind of space is acoustically treated so that we put acoustic tiles to the ceiling, but now because the ceiling has a special structure, which is architecturally really nice, we cannot do that. And so we have to do something for the walls. Now the renovation is done, and you should be able to understand my speech much better, what I'm saying. So there on this side, there is less than 1 centimeter of cellulose mass sprayed, and it looks like concrete. And then on this back wall, there is 4 centimeters of glass wool, on top of which there is this cellulose coating. And then, as you can see, it looks really like as it was. This is hard concrete, which is reflecting all the sound and not absorbing the sound at all. And that's why this space is really reverberant. Now the renovation is done, and then now we have this cellulose-based coating on the wall, and my voice should be more clear and it should be much easier to understand what I'm saying. Also, when I'm knocking this, compared to this old one, you can hear that it's not so hard anymore. So this is still porous, but it's still quite hard that you can touch it. So now you can hear that the tail is much shorter. There is much less reverberation in this hall because these walls absorb the sound.